Oh, hey.
Okay, so I'm here with Ashlyn.
Hey.
And I'm literally gonna say I was literally gonna say the same exact thing I said last year. She is gonna be I'm trying to remember exactly what I said. She's gonna be the lovely voice behind the camera, and we're matching today. It's a good day. Thank you for helping me film this room tour.
Of course.
She's a wonderful videographer. So.
Throwback to last year.
I know, I'm like, I can't believe we're already doing this year's. Feels like yesterday we did last year's. Where did the time go? So yeah. Sophomore year, room tour, here we go. Okay, so the first thing you see when you walk into my dorm is this rug from Dormify. It's just a little entryway rug to hopefully make the space a bit cuter than the rug that I was given. And then this is just my closet over here on one side, and then over here is the bathroom. I think we should start on this side. And moving on to the very first part of my room, this is one of my favorite parts. This is my little coffee stand. Yeah, I use this every morning, sometimes multiple times a day. And then on top I just have some contact paper, which I got from Amazon, to make the fridge a little bit more aesthetic. And I will have everything linked down below as well. This is my espresso machine, my pride and joy. It came with a milk frother as well, which is really nice to have for college mornings, and really nice for long studying days. And then these shelves are from Amazon, as well as the mugs. I wanted to make this feel kind of like the inside of one of my favorite coffee shops, which is the Alfred's Coffee. So this is my favorite like vanilla syrup in the entire world. It's the Alfred syrup. And then I just got a really cute little dispenser and tried to make it feel like a little coffee shop. And then this painting, funny thing about this one, I made this over a year ago, and then over the summer I actually went to Paris and I was able to eat this exact meal at the exact restaurant that this photo was taken. So, manifesting at its finest. And then over here I have a wall print that I found on Pinterest. Don't roast the inside of my fridge right now.
Oh, I'm gonna roast the inside of your fridge right now. Can we explain the towel situation?
There's a towel because I had a flood. The temperature was off and it froze. We have every different kind of dairy-free milk you can imagine. Trader Joe's coffee creamer, and then a really good Trader Joe's cheese dip. And then...
And pickles.
Down here we have some pickles. Yes, our favorite. Coffee, a little waffle, and then some bell peppers. So
that's quite an assortment of food items in there.
Yeah. Thank goodness for the meal plan and for UCLA being #1 dining in the country. And then moving on to my bed, my favorite part of our entire room. On this side, I just have like my everyday bag. So this is like if I'm going out with friends or going to dinner off campus. Easy access. I also have my aloe tote bag. This is like what I take for beach days, or I'm just gonna go outside and study. Moving on to my bed. My bed this year is very tall. And okay, I'll sort of like work my way, but like I'll go bottom up. So at the very bottom.
I'm sorry, bottoms up.
Bottoms up.
You can edit that one out.
So at the bottom I have this bed skirt, which is really good because it hides all of my storage. So underneath my bed is like my cleaning supplies, extra clothes, my art supplies, and everything that doesn't go in my closet goes under the bed. And then I also have bed risers. So this is really good if you want to have some more storage space under your bed. That's a really loud airplane. Anyway, these are from Amazon. They're stackable. So this section you could use on its own, or you could use the bottom one on its own, or you could stack it and have a super tall, huge bed like me. I literally jump into bed every single night. I have some wall prints from Amazon. I wanted to go for a very, very girly aesthetic this year. There's a lot of pink in this room. There's a lot of bows, like my favorite things. So yeah, here we also have a playing card. The Ace of Hearts is like my favorite playing card, but Ace of Bows even better. The frames are also from Amazon. My comforter, it's from Pottery Barn, so is the insert. My sheets are from Love Shack Fancy. My bow is from Pottery Barn and Love Shack Fancy, so is this pillow. This is a pillow that my mom crocheted for me. Shout out, Mom. This is from Target. My favorite room decor, my marshmallow jelly cats. And then I also have a hidden jelly cat.
Oh, I can see it.
Oh, it's not hidden. Which is right here, which is my lovely pea pod. I found this out the other day. I think it's a little... It does this. I don't know. It's giving like when a guy gets a buzz cut. It's like, you know what I mean?
And I think it's like a cute little hoodie.
I mean, maybe it's giving hood. Maybe it's giving buzz cut. You can be the judge of that. And then moving on to my nightstand. This is from Dormify. I have a really interesting organization philosophy with this nightstand. Basically, every single drawer is for a different class. This is kind of new for me this quarter. I have a lot of papers that are constantly being printed. I'm also in a statistics class, so I have a lot of like handwritten stuff. Every single drawer is dedicated to a different class. Here are my headphones, noise canceling, amazing for studying, changed my life. It's really good, especially if you have like roommates or if you're gonna be studying in like coffee shops or like a lounge. Headphones are really good to have. Over here I have my little sleeping lip mask, put on every night. It's vanilla, it's my favorite. I have a little candle, and then I just have a little Sagittarius trinket from my sister. Up here I have a light from Dormify, which has a couple settings. So if I'm like about to go to sleep, I have my little night light, and a little brighter and like very bright, and then just have some lovely hydrangeas. So yeah, this is my nightstand. Moving on to my window. Okay, so on this side of my windowsill I have a little candle. It's very tropical. And then I have my jewelry box, which has basically every piece of jewelry that I wear every day. Under this I have some PR, some YSL blushes that I'm excited to try. Yeah. And then I just have some flowers. And then over here I have some books. This is my current obsession, Beach Read by Emily Henry. If you like a rom-com, I literally, time flies when I'm reading this book. Like underneath that, I think every single person, whether you're in college or not, should do this. This is my guest signature book, so basically any and everyone who comes into my dorm can sign this book, and I'm not gonna read it until graduation. Basically, there's just a whole bunch of little notes and sweet things for my friends that I'm really excited to read once I graduate. It'll just be something nice to look back on. And I also think some people have used this as like a journal. I don't know. Like some people sign it and then we'll write things like later. Like I'll run to the restroom for a second and it'll come out and someone's like, back in this book. I'm like, what just got added? Underneath that I have a cooking book that my sister got me from Austria when she went. Can't read it because it's in German, but maybe one day. Moving on to my shelves. This is, I would say, the craziest, most drastic addition this year. On the top I have a plant. Do you think you don't think he's, I don't think he's gonna watch this video. You think he might?
I think you can tell.
So we have a friend. If you're watching this, click away. But basically, I have a friend who is living in a frat this year, and he's like, I need plants for my room, so I am propagating him some of this plant so that he can have it in his room.
Show the little plant piece.
Yes. Here it is. So yeah, one day that'll be a different plant. And then on this shelf, I have another one of my favorite books, Atomic Habits, a poetry book, and then my little journal, which is kind of like prompted journaling, like 5-minute journals. And then a candle from my sister. Oh,
can't light it.
Can't light it. It's decoration. And then down here, I have another little box from YSL, and then I have my salt lamp, and then I have some crystals. And below it, okay, I'm actually really proud of this. Here's my vision board that I made on New Year's Eve of last year. Yeah, there's just, oh my gosh, wait. Can we take a moment for the pink sweater? And because I'm in a pink sweater today, and right beneath it.
Wow.
So yeah, this is your science make vision board. This is my school bag for when I feel like not using a backpack. When I feel like I wanna, like be giving soccer mom, I take this bag. And then below that, I have a room freshener. This is the only thing that actually makes my room smell good because no candles, but my mom got this for me in Utah. It smells like vanilla. It smells like my room. So good to have in college because, dorm. Anyway, I have a painting that I made. I'm not done with it yet. Yeah, got a little girl dancer and then the guy in the background. You can interpret that how you will. And then I have my chair, my little mini chair, which is such a good dorm size. Oftentimes I'll take this chair and I'll like bring it over to the window and then do my computer work there and just people watch. Or I'll like, have my morning coffee, but it's a fun little chair. My friends like this one. It's funny because no one really
can confirm.
Yeah, I spent a lot of time in that chair. And then over here, I have my vanity. I upgraded this year to a bigger mirror because I loved it, to be honest.
And now both of us can get ready at once.
Yes, and now we can both get ready at once. The best part of having a single is that I can have my friends over and we can just all get ready and like hang out. And the big mirror allows us to do that. It's from Amazon. I'll have it linked down below. Okay. There's a couple settings, so you can turn it on. You can also change the warmth if you want like cool, moderate, warm. This is also good because dorm lighting is so bad. Bathroom lighting, so bad. Also adjust brightness. It doesn't look like it's doing anything, but that's because it was already really bright. You can dim it down if you want to. Over here I have a little wall print from Amazon, which I had in my room last year, but I still love it. So I basically covered my entire desk in contact paper in hopes of making it a little bit more aesthetic. So everything has a sticker on. It doesn't ruin the wood, it doesn't ruin the paint or anything. Very dorm friendly if you want to have a bit more of an aesthetic furniture situation. I highly recommend. It's also super affordable. I didn't even have to get a new roll. I still had some left over from last year. Over here I have some perfumes, you know, some lip glosses because I put lip gloss on every 2.5 minutes, and then a little candle for my sister. I think that's it.
No. We've got one more. Throwback to last year. We've upgraded the disco ball.
So now I have a mini disco ball. First it was just a sticker. First I just had the sticker of the disco ball. And then my mom gave me this mini disco ball as a little homage to last year's disco ball. I feel like if this one dropped, nothing would happen. So it is very safe and kid friendly. Anyway.
If you know, you know.
If you know, you know. But yeah.